Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact N26 bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in N26, and once you hit enter, click on the first thing that is shown to you. And once you're inside this N26 homepage, simply scroll down until you find the option that says company, and under it click on option that says customer support. And once you tap on that, here what you need to do is just simply scroll down and then select one of the categories, account personnel and details, and then just select one of the options. And once you do that, what you need to do is scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says contact us. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you'll be sent to how to contact N26, and here you'll be seeing a button that says open a support chat. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll be asked to log in. Once you log into your account, all you gotta do is simply tell the problem to the N26 customer support agent, and then they will provide you with the options to fix it. And that's basically how you can contact N26 bank. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.